Yes, yes. At the Ankole cattle, a lot of organic manure. As you can see, the team there, Kiring Omari, Sam, and the herdsman. Have a look at that beautiful herd of Ankole cattle right in the Boma and Transmara. Look at the beauty of those horns. Hello guys. Hello guys, I'm coming nearer you. I can see the beautiful herd. Just achieve the pose for a photograph. Look at 360. The chicken there, easily wandering. The guys up there going round and round. A lot of manure around the place. Those guys, you know them. Somali there. And back to the awesome Ankole cattle at Transmara farm. All things organic. Asante sana.